Elephant, I would like to introduce my hometown. Welcome to Elephant Village, Batakang, Kapro District, Thatum District, Surin Province, Thailand. Okay. This information will help you decide if you want to visit Elephant Village, Batakang during your holiday. I have divided the information into 4 parts. First, what is there to see? Second, what is there to do? Third, what is there to eat? And fourth, getting around the Elephant Village, Batakang area. Let's begin. The first point is what is there to see. There are many interesting tourist attractions to visit Elephant Village, Batakang.
Okay, does anyone like elephant? We are taking you to see elephant at Batakang, where is the biggest elephant village in the world. Okay. This is a place where you can see elephant show at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. every day. Adults must get ticket with 50 baht and children with 20 baht. This is Bangtaluk, where you can enjoy elephant ride. In the afternoon, you and watch more than 30 elephant bathing. Finally, we are inviting you to the Elephant Museum, where future exhibition regarding village, history and proof for capturing elephant.
Is what is there to do? You can feed elephant with banana or sugar canes.
You can enjoy elephant right around the village with 100 baht.
Elephant Village. Can you buy souvenir, for example, T-shirt elephant and accessory?
Next point is, what is there to eat? Do you want to eat? Follow me.
This is papaya salad and spicy minced beef. They are very delicious and popular food.
The fourth point is you can getting around by walking anywhere.
So, in conclusion, to visit Elephant Village, Batakang, you can see elephant show, feed elephant, eat papaya salad, and walking anywhere.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My group name is Let Debut. First, what is there to see? Second, what is there to do? First,